What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back. I am 49 days till LS Fest, and the sun hasn't even come up yet, but I'm about to get this thing loaded up. There it is, finally on the ground. You'll get to see it when the sun comes up, but I'm going to load it up, take it to a shop that's local, and we're going to work on the exhaust. What I haven't told any of you is I have actually been working at a local hot rod shop for just under a year now. So thankfully, I've managed to make some friends up there that actually like me and are willing to help me with some stuff on this car. There's a couple of guys up there that weld really well and do exhausts and stuff like that. They're just incredible at what they do. And they have offered graciously to give me a hand with getting this thing buttoned up in time for LS Fest. All right, I made it. Nothing fell off the car. Car didn't fall off the trailer, so that's a win. We just gotta shuffle some stuff around, and then I think we're gonna get it in here, get it up a little bit, and we'll get cracking. I gotta get these boys some breakfast. All right, we got it up. We're gonna start looking at it and get a game plan together. That's Levi. He's so graciously offered to help me. Here's Ruby and Ellie Mae. Hi, baby. And this is what we're working with. I got some 45s, some 90s, and we're going with the Black Widow, Widowmaker. Oh, Neighbor Hater. And we'll see if it lives up to its name. It will, okay. Yeah, it's there's no real baffling in there at all.
Not even a chamber.
Nothing. I can see straight through. Since I'm pretty much worthless as far as the exhaust goes, I'm going to work on this. This is my brand new stainless coolant tank. I forget which place I got it from, Delorean Go, or maybe it was even DMC, I don't remember. But what I want to do, I'm going to connect my steam port line off the front of the motor to here, but I'm going to use a quick disconnect. This is the wrong little nipple, so now I have this one. So I'm going to cut that off, put this on there, and then see if I can't sweet talk Ruby into welding it in there for me. Success. And just took the threads off this with the belt sander. Clean that up. That will weld right there. And now I have my quick disconnect fitting for my steam port line to my coolant tank. Just two straight dudes hanging out underneath a gay car. A red DeLorean, Jesus. Shot dog. Hi, baby.
Here, we're above our line for the control arm, so you'll never touch it with the control arm also.
Okay. So we're coming straight.
So that center pipe will always be right here, straight out.
So tight.
It'll have a nice round curve out. So basically, we're going to put this just like that. And it's going to go straight out.
Nice. Come right out there, man. Yeah, that's gonna
nice and tidy.
That's gonna be perfect.
We can probably put the O2 like up here, or maybe even put it.
I was gonna say, yeah. What about facing down a little bit so you could just
Typically, you don't want to put
You don't
them
want it
down
facing down?
because of condensation.
Oh, okay.
We talked about maybe even putting it back here outside. So extending your O2s and putting it here.
Oh, yeah.
So basically, like, say this is like this, and
Yeah.
then just putting the O2 right there. That way it's got about 10 inches of travel before it gets to the O2.
Check it out. So coolant tank fitting has changed. We got, let's see, a couple of the each side, I guess, of the first part of the pipe is done. Oh, there it is. Yeah, look at that. Cool. It's gonna be a very short run. Everything is hooked up here. Definitely gonna have to do some stuff with this because I don't like the way that looks, but everything will be tidied up at some point. Just we're still in the figuring out crap phase. It's hidden from the side too, so I like that. That's super sick. All right, most of the exhaust stuff is in. It's not final yet, but a little bit nervous. I'm shaking. Like the first time you fired this up, this is like I'm afraid to turn to start it. All right, let's see what happens.
She wants it.
It starts. A few more kinks to work out, but 49 days. I have it started and running. Yes. There we go. 49 days. Car fires up. I got some stuff I want to double check before I actually start doing the actual kind of heat cycle of the motor and letting it idle, and then start kind of taking it up through the RPMs. Got to make sure my new oil pressure gauge is working correctly, because the one on the dash works. I just don't know if it's accurate, so I'd love for both of them to work and just know for certain. Very productive day. That's an awesome day when you spend all that time working on something like this, building this, and you're able to turn it over and get it started for the first time. Man, I was so super nervous, but it sounds good. I'm pretty happy so far with the exhaust. We didn't let it run too long, but from what I heard, it sounded really good. Some minor things to button up. I gotta start working on the cooling system. I am on track to make it to LS Fest. If you like this project, hit subscribe and follow along with the journey of this car, because it has only just begun. Hopefully I'll see some of you guys and gals out at LS Fest in May. So I appreciate you watching this episode. Thanks so much for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.